Hi. Let's learn about express warranty. An express warranty is a promise made by a seller to provide repairs or a replacement for a faulty product, component, or service within a specified time period after it was purchased. For example, if you buy a new TV and it stops working within the first year, the manufacturer promises to repair or replace it. An express warranty ensures that an item will live up to the promises of the seller, and it is subject to federal guidelines under the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act. It can be included in the seller's contract, in an advertisement, or in an online description of a product. If the product does not meet the standards set forth in the advertising or suffers a breakdown within a set time frame, the customer may be entitled to free repair service or a full replacement. Details about a product or service that are outlined in an advertisement can set the precedent for an express warranty. Claims made in advertisements about the quality, functionality, lifespan, and efficacy of a product can constitute an express warranty. Exaggerated statements that sometimes appear in advertising do not necessarily constitute express warranties. E-commerce companies typically include express warranties on the goods they sell to give customers some sense of surety that issues with the purchase will be rectified. Auto dealers also offer express warranty terms for repairs on the vehicles they sell. E-commerce companies typically include express warranties on the goods they sell to give customers some sense of surety that issues with the purchase will be rectified. For example, if a consumer buys a business jacket online, but when it arrives the item is the wrong size, wrong color, or is missing buttons, an express warranty might entitle the consumer to a refund or replacement. In such cases, the online seller is usually responsible for footing the bill for any additional shipping charges. Auto dealers tend to advertise express warranty terms for repairs on the vehicles they sell. This can include stipulations on mileage and length of ownership that limit the extent of that coverage. After the vehicle is owned for a certain amount of time or driven beyond the mileage limit, the express warranty would no longer be applicable. Express warranties are specific promises made by a seller to a buyer, either orally or in writing. In the absence of communicated guarantees, an implied warranty may come into force. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. An express warranty is an agreement by a seller to provide repairs or a replacement for a faulty product, component, or service within a specified time period. 2. Under the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, a company that provides a written express warranty must adhere to federal guidelines. 3. Details about a product or service that are outlined in an advertisement can set the precedent for an express warranty. 4. In the absence of communicated guarantees, an implied warranty may come into force. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.